Timu ya shujaa ĩrĩa mũthako wa gonya ya bũrũri na ya athaki mũgwanja oro mwena mahingĩtie kambĩ ya ciumia 2 kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Kasarani. Coach Kelvin Wambua akiuga anake aya arĩa magatire mweke ũyũ wa kĩhĩtahĩtano kĩa Olympics makoretwo makĩruta mwena wa defense na mwena wa attack nĩgetha makorwo magĩthiĩ mbĩtĩka-inĩ kana ngucanio-inĩ cia Olympics iria ikahanĩka tarĩki 26 mweri ũyũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Paris.
We are very encouraged with what we've seen for this boy. They are very positive. They have picked up the learnings, and I think we are going on as a team, and we are working on everything as the challenges come. Olympic is going to be a big challenge. That one, we will prepare them for that, and for them just to go out and present as well. They need to be that well mentally and physically. So most of the things we've done. So I think we've just thrown the baton back to them to go out and present as well.
Two areas of the game that we really have been working hard to improve in terms of our attacking approach, our attacking frameworks. Defensively, again, it's just upping our skills, tackle technique, our system, defensive system, from the breakdown, heading all the way to the wing, our integrity in defense. We've been really farming up on that as we go to this next step, which is the Olympics. We know we're going to make better players.